Is your bladder weak as you age? Here's how to fix it. Are you noticing that as you get older, your bladder isn't as strong as it used to be? Have you experienced a constant urge to pee, or maybe even occasional urine leakage? You're not alone. Many men face this issue as they age, but the good news is that there are effective ways to fix a weak bladder. Stay tuned as we explore 3 practical steps to strengthen your bladder and regain control. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends or family who might be facing similar challenges. Also, drop a comment below and let me know if you've struggled with bladder issues and what steps you've taken to overcome them. Step 1. Limit caffeine intake. You might be thinking, but I can't function without my morning coffee. Trust me, I get it. Many of us rely on caffeine to jumpstart our day. However, when it comes to bladder health, caffeine can be a major culprit. Caffeine is a natural diuretic, meaning it increases urine production, filling up your bladder more quickly. This can lead to frequent bathroom trips and a weaker bladder over time. Research has shown that consuming excessive caffeine can stimulate the bladder, causing the brain to signal a need to urinate even when the bladder isn't full. Spector, 2021. And let's face it, most people drink more than just coffee. Energy drinks, sodas, and even certain teas can also contain caffeine. What can you do? Start by cutting down on the caffeine you consume throughout the day. Instead of multiple cups of coffee or energy drinks, aim for just 1 caffeinated drink in the morning. Then, switch to decaf, or non-caffeinated beverages for the rest of the day. This simple change can significantly improve your bladder health over time. Trust me, your bladder will thank you. Step 2. Don't rush bathroom breaks. We all know that rushing to finish up in the bathroom is a habit many of us have developed, especially when we're busy. But did you know that rushing during urination can contribute to incomplete bladder emptying, a major factor in weak bladder issues? If you rush, your bladder doesn't fully empty, leaving urine behind. This leftover urine can signal your brain to need to urinate again shortly after, creating a vicious cycle. Studies indicate that incomplete bladder emptying can lead to bladder retention, which weakens the bladder over time. Elliott et al., 2018. When you don't allow your bladder to fully empty, you're setting yourself up for more frequent trips to the toilet and potential leakage. So, how can you fix this? Take your time, slow down, relax, and focus on fully emptying your bladder. Give yourself a few extra moments to ensure you're not just rushing through the process. A simple trick is to sit down and relax while you urinate, allowing your bladder and pelvic floor muscles to fully relax. After finishing, take 2 deep breaths and try to urinate a second time, ensuring you empty any remaining urine. This technique, called double voiding, can help eliminate the excess urine and improve bladder function. Step 3. Strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. As we age, our pelvic floor muscles naturally weaken, and this can have a big impact on bladder health. These muscles play a crucial role in supporting the bladder and ensuring it empties properly. Weak pelvic floor muscles can lead to urinary leakage and difficulty holding urine. Research has shown that strengthening the pelvic floor muscles through Kegel exercises can significantly improve bladder control. Bump et al., 1991. In fact, studies indicate that men who regularly perform Kegel exercises experience less urine leakage and better bladder control overall. How can you strengthen these muscles? Start performing Kegel exercises daily. To do this, tighten the muscles you would use to stop urinating midstream. Hold for 5 seconds and then release. Repeat this 10 to 15 times in a set. Doing this consistently will help build strength in the pelvic floor and improve bladder function. Practical tips and evidence-based solutions. If you're currently experiencing urine leakage, you can also consider using incontinence pads or specialized underwear until your pelvic floor muscles strengthen. These products can provide additional comfort and protection during the day. Also, remember that consistency is key. Strengthening your bladder and pelvic floor muscles takes time, and results won't be immediate. But stick with it, and you'll notice improvements in your bladder control. Conclusion: regain control over your bladder. In conclusion, addressing a weak bladder as you age doesn't have to be complicated. By following these 3 simple steps, reducing caffeine, taking your time when using the bathroom, and strengthening your pelvic floor muscles, you can significantly improve bladder function and regain control. It might take a little time, but the results are worth it. Now that you've learned how to improve bladder health, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with someone who might need it, and leave a comment below on what steps you've taken to improve your bladder health. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on men's health and wellness. And remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your bladder. Consistency is the key to success. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.